Completing a mechanical permit application online is a very straightforward and easy process. You must read the information under the new mechanical permit application banner. This basically states that the application is only available for use by State of Maryland HVAC license holders. And you also must be aware that estimated cost data needs to be based on the mechanical cost information available from RS Means, and there is a link to the website in the introductory text. To begin the application, you'll need to put a tax account number for the location where you are performing the work. If you do not know the tax account number, you can click the Real Property Search link here to visit the State of Maryland website to find the tax account number for a property. Once you've entered a tax account number, the address information for that property will be automatically completed for you. If you need to add a building number or a unit number, feel free to add that information to the work location. You will then choose the type of work that you're completing, either replacement or new. You will notice that if you're doing work under the new category, a building permit number is required. For replacement, a building permit number is not required, but you must be replacing a unit with the same size, tonnage, and location. Any electrical work that's required must have an associated but separate electrical permit. Then you will want to choose the property type, residential or commercial, and then pick the existing use and the proposed use. It is very important that you type in as specific a work description as you can within the work description section. You will then need to enter your estimated equipment cost and your estimated labor cost, and 1% of this value will become the permit fee, or $65, whichever is higher. You will then type in the information related to the owner of the property where you're doing the work, and then the information for the company, the contractor that is actually performing the work. You'll need to read the disclaimer, acceptance, and signature section at the bottom of the page. And at this point, if for whatever reason you want to discontinue this application and come back to finish it later, you can click the Save and Exit button. If you're ready to submit the application, click Submit here, and your application will be submitted. Once you click the Submit button, you will be asked if you're sure that you want to submit, because at this point, you cannot come back to edit any information related to this case. Once you've hit Submit, you will notice that the application success page appears. You will receive a case number, and you will also have a link that you can visit to pay the permit fee that is due. Now, if you go back to the My Permits Licenses link, you will see this new permit application that was created. You can also access the payment screen from here. The case statuses that you will see are either pending, meaning that you started the application but you did not actually hit submit, application, which means that you did hit submit but you have not completed payment, and then you will see permitted after you have paid your fees. And you will also notice that once the application status reaches permitted after payment, you can click the Print View link to actually print a copy of the permit. If you would like additional information on the payment process, please watch the next lesson in this series. Although the example that is given is for electrical permits, the same payment process applies for mechanical permits.